Today we'll talk about how can you select categories and sets on your Vinted app. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on personalizations here. Then you come to next step here. Then you click here on categories and sets here. Then come to this list and here can you select for woman or men or kids. So I'm going to click here to woman for example. Then here can you select here woman items here in this list, and here can you select this here in this list. So in the footwear here, so then when you or plus you just select here this is here, then it's going to show for you on your Vinted app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.